latest official count I received from the gate is 354. And this easily makes this car reveal the biggest car reveal in the last decade in Jamaica. Please give yourselves a round of applause.
Tonight's an awesome night. If you love cars, if you're into the future, I want to touch the future today. It has been an incredible honor over the last 12 years to represent the Audi brand in Jamaica, and so many of you here are our existing customers. And I want to start out by just saying thank you so much for the support. This year marks our 25th anniversary for ATL Automotive, and our whole drive is to have a product and solve mobility solutions for everybody in Jamaica, no matter what level of a product you're looking for. These cars are 100% electrified, 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds, 480 kilometers of range on a single charge. It is absolutely awesome stuff.